So this thing is going to be boosted. I think they're trying to do like an east versus west kind of engine build off. So it's going to see, you know, hopefully somewhere in the 1,000 to 1,500 horsepower at Hot Rod Garage. So Lucky's going to be building this one, and then Tony's building one back east, and then they're going to go head to head. So we want our boy Lucky to be successful. And we got your back, Lucky. So one thing we want to check too is I want to show you something. The radius, see how well it clears the bearing. That's one of the things on some of these cranks. You end up having a really, really wide radius. See where the bearing is in relationship to this radius right here? You make sure that it's far away from it and that there's enough clearance. So what we want to check for is make sure that the bearing clears the radius on the crank. There's plenty of clearance there. Can't see that one. This one, see, this one's pretty close. It looks like it's right there, Kevin. If you look at this one, you see it? See how close it's getting to the radius?
Yeah.
I don't think it's going to hang out, but what we'll see is when we pull it out, we're going to check it, we're going to rotate it. When we pull it out, you'll look at the bearing and you'll see if it's starting to rub right there. If it is, then you just take it and chamfer it. This one's got plenty of room right here, look.
Oh yeah.
Right?
That one.
No, this is the only one that's kind of getting close. I think it might just be optical. Yeah, on this side it looks like we've got plenty of room. Here, look at this side versus that side. It's just lying to us. So we got about 5.5. Another thing we did here is we completely deburred the block and did the our race spread polish. This is a little too much for, you know, street engine, but this helps in knocking off all the basically the stress risers in the block. Any kind of sharp edge is knocked down. Also aids in oil drain back. All these little areas where you could cut your fingers, you know, they're all knocked down and radius, as well as we do a little extra here in the oil galley area, a little extra polishing, radius that end in there, this end in here to aid in oil flow.